Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on Face ID to unlock your WhatsApp. So let's get started. This means that you're only gonna need your Face ID to access your app, but you can also reply to messages from notifications, and you can also answer calls. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. It's gonna take us to our settings. Next, we're gonna select privacy. And when we scroll down, you're gonna see the last option we have is screen lock. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, we have require Face ID is currently off, but we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So now you can select whether you want it to require Face ID immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, and after an hour. So we're going to leave it at immediately. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.